Let's talk about overinflating house prices. We all know what's going on with the housing market, especially here in San Antonio. We've got 14,000 houses on the market. Interest rates are 7.25%. There's not a lot of movement going on. So what's happening is house prices are actually starting to fall. Now, as they start to fall, it's a little bit, but it's starting to fall. If you overprice your house, consumers are going to be like, I have 13,999 other houses I can pick from. Why would I pick an overinflated house price? We get it. Everybody knows, like, if you bought a house from 2022 to 2023, around there, 2021, you probably paid more for that house than what it was worth because you were in multiple offer situations. And now we are seeing the byproduct of that, where people are in their houses for 2 and 3, 4 years, and they're still not even to the point where the value of the house really is now. And you're seeing a lot of people that are not moving, or they're going to have to try and write a check to be able to get out of that house and into a new one. So you're starting to see people overinflate their house prices. So here's what's going to happen. You list your price high. You list your price correctly. Okay, what's going to happen is the days on market are going to go a lot longer, and you're going to have to drop the price. And here's where, if you appropriately priced it, you would have sold. And now you're down here where you're below where, if you appropriately priced it, you would have been able to sell it. So now you've lost money, you've gained frustration because your house has been sitting on the market for a long time, and now you're going to lose even more money than if you had appropriately priced it. Now, there are houses out there that can still be appropriately priced that sit on the market for a longer time. Depends on their location, depends on the home features. It depends on how big the lot is or how small the lot is, what you can and can't do with that lot, what the neighbors' houses look like, stuff like that. So there's stuff that you can do right, and it would still keep the house on the market for a longer period of time. However, you need to trust your real estate professional to where they tell you the range that you need to price your house at and find a good price to start at. I listed a house in Cibolo, and we priced it right, and we actually had 3 offers on it, and we got $10,000 more than what the list price was, and that was in this market. If you price houses correctly and they show well, because my clients did a lot of work to prep that house to make sure that it would stick out from that other 13,999. If you do that, it will happen. I had a house in New Braunfels. I sold that thing in less than a week because my client took the opportunity to make sure that she spared no expense to make sure that the house showed the best, so that it would stick out from the 13,999 other houses. If you do that, you're going to be good to go. Trust me.